A quiet peace you'll never find in the heart of a crowded town. The air is sharp enough to cut, it's a bitter kind of deep. But there's a secret in the shadows that the frozen meadows keep. Sometimes you gotta pull it over just to see the colors bleed, to find the kind of medicine that a heavy heart might need. A silo standing lonely and a line of wings in flight, just some beauty on the shoulder at the edge of a winter night. Bound or what they're trying to find, but the way they drift across the sun, it settles in mine. It's a brutal kind of cold out here, it's a long and frozen mile, but there's a light across the stubble field that makes it all worthwhile. Sometimes you gotta pull it over just to see the colors bleed, to find the kind of medicine that a heavy heart might need. A silo standing lonely and a line of wings in flight, just some beauty on the shoulder at the edge of a winter night. Yeah, it's everywhere if you're looking, in the cold, in the quiet, just a sunset on the side of the road.